1 autograph and 1 mem card.
That's pretty cool. I haven't even seen anybody rip these yet. I guess we could have watched.
So it's the longevity parallel. There's 6 longevity parallels.
What do they look like? Are they super long? They're like the length of the box.
Yeah.
Hey, I think I found one. Like top stupid box toppers. They're all annoying because you can't store them.
Oh.
Hey, here's my card collection / my magazine collection. I don't know. I'm breaking with this bag.
You're breaking Legos.
I'm not. I'm fixing.
I'm breaking Legos.
You don't maintain our thing well enough, man. Every time it's here, man, it's all raggedy looking.
What are you talking about?
Bro, the letters are falling over. Come on, man.
I don't touch the thing. I move it.
I know this. You have to touch it sometimes, though. Especially the S. You see how the S is tough, man.
Whatever. What's up, guys? See some people jumping in.
Sad.
Don't even start. You get lay down.
Go lay down. No, I'm gonna pet you. That's not what I said.
All right. See some people jumping in. So we got our 3 longevity boxes of rookies and stars tonight. Kind of excited for this one. First time we've ripped this. So we had, everybody has paid. We had 1 team that did not pay. So it was the Bengals. Gasp. They didn't sell. So
Well, they sold.
They sold $51.
And they did not pay.
Did not pay. So if anybody would like the Bengals, we will offer them up for $50 shipped. If you've been in any one of our breaks tonight. I know there's some people in here from the previous breaks. I think Kyla was asking about it. So $50 shipped on the Bengals.
Are you sure that's Kyler or is it Killicam?
Killicam, I don't know.
Well, Killicam would make sense to me because he was a rapper.
But it would be 2 L's, wouldn't it?
Normally. I don't know. Either way, maybe he's in here.
I think he's in here. I think I saw his name in here. So
maybe type it. How many people are in here? 10?
Yeah.
Nobody wants the Bengals, huh? We have to pull that auto ourselves, I guess. Why would you bid that one up and not pay?
Yeah, it's very annoying. All right, $50 on the Bengals. Anybody? While we're doing that, we'll do a roll call while you're marinating on that. Aaron has the Giants. Alan has the Rams and Redskins / football team / Commanders. Bob has the Saints. Casey Scott has the Bears. Chad has the Colts. Connor has the Packers. Diane has the Dolphins. Dom has the Eagles. Eason has the Panthers and Ravens. Gordon has the Cowboys. Greg has the Bucks. Jennifer has the Jets. Johnny has the Chargers. Justin has the Chiefs. Lenny has the Browns. Max has the Falcons. Paul has the Seahawks. Rich has the Jags. Rick has the Steelers. Rob has the Lions and Raiders. Rusty has the Titans and Cardinals. Scott has the 49ers. Scott H has the Bills. Timothy has the Patriots and Texans. Wesley has the Vikings. And William has the Broncos. We have an offer for 35 on the Bengals.
Let's offer 45, see if there's any takers. 35 seems low to me, bro. If they went for 50 in the auction.
True.
It might get down to 35.
Kelly, what team do you have?
Oh, she don't have one. So
Have you had one in a break tonight?
You got people jumping in this time in the break. That's kind of cool.
Just popped up on Facebook feed. All right.
Offer for 40. Shit, if they got a team. If they don't, if Jeremy wants them for 45 or Kelly does, we could do that.
I don't see Jeremy's name either. Jeremy, do you have a team?
He doesn't. He's the guy that was messaging me.
Okay.
You can do what you want, bro. But you got two offers at the same spot right now. That's the problem. You could let them bid it up.
All right, Kelly, since you asked first, how about we do 40? There'll be 35 plus the shipping on it since you don't have a team in the break. Yeah, PayPal. I'll drop it in the chat and also put it right here. All right, just let me know when that's sent, and then we'll get started.
I'm playing like this.
Don't mess that up.
It's pretty cool.
Trent's proud of himself. He put that together by himself.
Hey,
Mm-hmm.
good job, Trent. Looks pretty tough. I hope we get something really nice on the Bengals.
So if you log into your PayPal, just hit send, and then you type in the email address that you see on the screen.
Or if she gives you hers, you can request it.
Or if you give me your email address, I'll send you a link. I'll send you a request. Whichever you prefer.
PayPal and send the request right from PayPal.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Just need the email address to do that.
Yeah, something. Oh, 11, I promise. Midnight.
I know. Let's see how it's playing out.
Oh, wait a minute. Where's the video at?
All right, request.
KELLEYBOYTE at Gmail.
Okay, I just sent you the request.
Let's double check.
Monitor that. So just check that.
That's right. Man, it's a pain.
Sorry, guys.
It's pending, so does it mean she's paid or just sent the request?
Just sent the request.
Okay.
So we'll give it another minute, get started. Sorry, guys, for the delay. It really sucks when people don't pay on time. And it really sucks when it's like the highest paid team out there.
We do have some more football coming next week, so
Yeah.
like us and follow us if you haven't already on Facebook.
Come on, Corey. It's only 9:30. We're early tonight. Although my two dogs are sitting over here staring at me, ready for bed. Yep. Getting that same look, bud.
This rip's gonna be so quick, man. We can't we gotta wait.
Yeah, that was bid up and sat there for a while. But I mean, the auction ended at that one ended at 5:36.
It was one that didn't get sniped.
It
Most
was-
of them did.
Yeah, it was almost 4 hours ago. You do it through eBay.
I don't think so. No, not if she didn't bid on your.
No. So did you check your Gmail? Because if it was PayPal, you should have got an email. I'm sorry, Richie. That's the story of my life when I buy into breaks.
So has anybody opened any of this Rookies and Stars yet? Yeah, check the spam folder. That's a good call. Yeah, you might have to check your junk folder,
Kelly.
Kelly. The
Two blasters and a hanger.
Anything good? Okay. Anything good come out of longevity earlier, Richie? Red plaid. Some Al Borland inserts. All right.
So we had a mosaic break earlier, and the Jags, we pulled a Jaguars quarterback honeycomb card. It just happened to be Minshew Mania, and not T-Law.
Could have been Brunel though too.
Could have been. Jags got 3 quarterbacks in that mosaic.
That's crazy.
Although I'm surprised it wasn't Blitnikoff.
Right.
If they called them Borlands, they'd be chase cards.
I don't know about that, Tim.
I don't think so, Tim.
That was what he used to say. I don't think so, Tim. That's right. I butchered it. My bad. It's been a while.
How we doing, Kelly? I would watch that show if it was on, like, in syndication, like, on every night.
My wife, we tried to watch it a little bit, but the boys are too mean, dude. Like, my kids start acting like that. Maybe they could watch it, like, now, but... cool. It is funny how he keeps knocking his head in the basement every time he goes down there. Doink.
Yeah. Yeah, there's Halloween episodes. I used to look forward to them every year.
You can always refund whoever pays second.
All right, we got it.
Oh,
Good.
sweet.
All right. Good deal. All right, guys. Everybody's all paid. Good luck. Thanks, Kelly. Appreciate it. Best of luck to everyone. So I guess we got a mem card and an auto, right?
And an auto. That's what it's supposed to be. Somebody said they pulled points instead.
All right, 1, 2, 3. We got 10 packs, six packs of 10.
Yeah.
All right, good luck, everyone. Rookies and star. Ooh, something shiny in there. So we got Curtis Godwin with a little dimple on the top. Patrick Mahomes. DeAndre Hopkins. Jalen Reagor. David Johnson. Autos in the first pack. Damian Harris. Oh, we got Kyle Trask Airborne. Looks like a red cracked ice.
That's cool.
That's pretty sweet. And we've got a Justin Jefferson standing ovation. Touchdown Club Russ Wilson. And our rookies are Kwity Paye. I guess we only got one rookie.
We got this one. This one's
Not used to. I'm used to the absolute when there's like 5 rookies in that pack. All right, Gronk, Travis Kelce. We're gonna flip upside down, huh? We're gonna beat on Donruss. Devontae Parker, Ryan Tannehill, Alvin Kamara, Noah Fant. Oh, and we do have a rookie. I mean, auto here. Oh, it's numbered too. So Marquez Stevenson to the Bills, and that is number 89 out of 99.
What's his jersey number? If it was 89, that'd be sweet. I think he's one of the teens.
Yeah.
Not sure.
But nice hit there for the Bills. All right, hold on. You mean this? This Justin Jefferson's a short print?
I don't know if he might be joking.
Oh.
Because he said Antonio Brown. Right?
Okay, gotcha. Action-packed Aaron Donald. You got me. Here we go. T-Law on the rookie rush. And Trey Sermon. You know what would be cool, though, is if they made an Antonio Brown standing ovation and had him in, like, the Brucey outfit from, what was it? The Longest Yard?
Oh, yeah. Somebody should have a card of him walking across that end zone as he's leaving the game.
He should have an auto of that picture in the sets next year. Chase Claypool.
Game used cab ticket.
Game used Uber.
That'd be sweet.
Saquon Barkley. Jamal Adams. Nelson Aguilar. David Montgomery. Tom Brady. Nice.
Oh, that looks cool.
We got a star-studded prism here. Justin Fields. Nice hit there. And right behind that, we got a Jamar Chase draft class. Nice hit there. Darius Leonard, action-packed. Nick Bolton is our rookie.
So, Corey, tell me something about the star-studded prism. It looks cool.
We got our mem card in this one. Debo, Tremaine Edmonds, A.J. Brown, Michael Thomas, Melvin Gordon, Juju, Tom Brady, standing ovation. Close. We're getting closer to AB. Derrick Henry, touchdown club. And Jacob Harris is our rookie. And our mem card is... What is that? Amon-Ra St. Brown. There you go. Corey. Lions player for you.
Should have got in.
Who had the Lions? Does have a little...
Let's see.
Can't tell if that's a little fuzzy there on the top corner.
Rob had the lines on the cheat.
But it's got a little... What's that corner when you put it in the swing?
Gotcha. Yeah, she's dang for sure.
Can't tell if it's ding or if there's a little extra on there.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll let him find out. Let Rob deal with it.
All right, Jared Goff, Ronald Jones, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Kyler Murray. Got something else sweet in here. Derrick Henry, Jameis Winston, and a Kyle Pitts Crusade. That's a pretty sweet looking card. That's it there.
Inserts are cool.
Yeah, they are. Kadarius Toney, rookie rush. Isaiah Simmons, action-packed, and Jalen Waddle is our rookie. All right, last pack of box number 1. The board started here in a minute. All right, Tyreek Hill, Big Ben, Daniel Jones, Brandon Cooks, Jacoby Myers, Roquan Smith, and we've got another numbered card here. So this is Shi Smith, and that is numbered 34 out of 80. So a nice little hit there to the Panthers. Rashawn Bateman, draft class. Another standing ovation, Dalvin Cook. And TREY McKitty is our rookie. No love for Dalvin.
No. They can't be super short print. We've seen 3 of them.
Justin Fields is nice.
Yeah.
Is that a number card?
Yeah, that's number. You want to take down Pitts?
I'll take that one. We'll get some.
Okay.
Get something nicer to put there.
With T-ball on it. Okay. Okay.
All right. Not a bad first box.
Around too.
Sag. Justin Fields is sag. Empty box. All right. Here we go. Box number 2. Tyreek Hill, Big Ben, Daniel Jones, Brandon Cooks, Jacoby Myers, Roquan Smith, and we got an airborne Matthew Stafford. What a turd he is.
You hater. Hater in the house. I tried to tell you this time last year.
Jalen Waddle on the rookie
When I
rush.
traded for him, I tried to tell you.
Buda Baker and Kellen Mond.
You were like, how they gonna win the Super Bowl when they can't make the playoffs? You know, I just gotta say, I told you so.
Yeah. Not at all. Debo, Tremaine Edmonds, A.J. Brown, Michael Thomas, Melvin Gordon, Juju, and we got another auto. And our auto is going to be James Robinson.
Huh.
And that is numbered out of 25.
Wow.
So nice hit there for the Jags. Blue, number 6 out of 25. So congrats to the Jags. Nice hit there. Hopefully he bounces back from that Achilles injury. And then right behind that, we got a Mac Jones draft class. DeMarcus Lawrence, action-packed. And Jabril Cox on the rookie. It was just a down year in NFL. That's all I got to say. Rob Gronkowski, Travis Kelce, Devontae Parker, Ryan Tannehill, Alvin Kamara, Noah Fant, and nice. Got an airborne Tom Brady.
To go with that Trask.
Yeah. It's pretty sweet.
They're gonna get Brad Johnson next.
And then we got then we got a Zach Wilson draft class. Patrick Mahomes ovation. You want that one?
Yeah, I'll take that one.
Take that one. And then Micah Parsons on the rookies.
I'll penny that one up.
You're penny that one?
Yeah.
Boxes are pretty fun.
Yeah, they're cool.
All right. Kenny Galladay, Russ Wilson, Myles Gaskin, Allen Robinson, Austin Eckler, Brandon Ayuk, and I thought we had another Kyle Pitts crusade, but we got a Calvin Ridley.
Next up, Roddy White.
A.J. Brown on the ovation, Patrick Mahomes on the touchdown club,
Maybe Andre Rising.
Rondale Moore on the rookie.
Bad Moon Rising.
Chase Claypool, Saquon, Jamal Adams, Nelson Aguilar, David Montgomery, Tom Brady, and man, nice. Got a Kyle Pitts. That's a rookie rush, and that is number 68 out of 80. So nice hit there for the Falcons.
That's some numbered stuff in here.
Yeah, there is. So 2 number cards, it seems like. Deion Jones on the action-packed. Rondale Moore on the rookie rush. And Michael Carter, rookie, the Jets. We should have a mem card in this one. Feels a little thick. Come on, man. I teed you up for that one.
Man, it's a family show.
Josh Allen, Julio Jones, Sam Darnold, Cortland Sutton, Myles Garrett, Dak Prescott. We got Najee Harris on the rookie rush, Joey Bosa, and AO on the rookie for the Falcons. And our mem card is CD Lamb.
Another underwear patch.
Another underwear patch, our second one of the night. Clean white drawers. So congrats to the Cowboys. All right, 2 down. Pretty good. Do I need to update anything? Where's that auto?
I think so. Yeah, you do need to update.
Get that auto up there.
Take the trash off of there and put Brady up.
Hold on. Get our autos. Where's the other number card? The Kyle Pitts number card.
You need to take Shot Smith down, man.
All right.
You put Brady up there. You gotta put some respect on Brady. Come on, man.
He's retired. We'll put retired players up here.
Stop. Just stop it.
We'll put retired players. Who you got, Connor? Who's Connor got? Packers.
I need to see some Packers.
Go Pack, go. Three. Hashtag who do you collect? All right. A.J. Brown, Michael Thomas, Melvin Gordon, Juju, Kenny Galladay, Russ Wilson, and we got our auto. It's a 49er.
Oh, snap.
It's a prism. And it is Trey Lance. Whew, nice hit. Numbered out of 10.
What?
Number 7 out of 10. And I'm going to tell you, as a 49er fan, this really pains me.
Yeah.
Where's the one touch?
I had 2 in the box. Did you put them somewhere? Or did they? You might have moved them last time.
They're on that. Oh, they're on the table.
I'll grab it. Just hold on to it.
Corey, I'm going to be crying during the rest of this break.
You need me to come in?
I'll be announcing through tears.
Wow.
That is a beautiful card. Who had the Niners? Scott, you in the house, man?
That's crazy.
It's been a while since we've had the one-touch treatment.
Well, I had one without you. Yeah. Joey B. On a 2020 Prism.
Yeah.
Is she in there?
I think so, yeah. She's got some...
Cambria.
Yeah.
She'll sit. That's nice.
Threw a 5 spot on the Niners and missed. Dang on.
They went high, but you got your money's worth.
That is a pretty card.
Wow.
All right.
Sorry. Our announcer is melancholy now.
Michael Carter, rookie rush. Quiddy Pay, draft class.
It's okay.
Benjamin St. Juiced, whoever the hell that is.
Hey, 3 years from now when he sucks, man, it'll be fine. When he turns out to be Tim Rattay, you'll feel better.
Yeah. He's the next JT O'Sullivan.
Could be.
All right. Myles Gaskin.
Come on, man, you're a pro. You can do this.
Allen Robinson. Austin Eckler. Brandon Ayuk. Josh Allen. Julio Jones. And we've got a
Nice.
Herbie, Justin Herbert, airborne. I guess we need to check the back on those.
There you go.
Do a double check on all those. Chase Young, action-packed. Calvin Ridley, standing ovation. Calvin Ridley is like big in this set for some reason. Didn't even play at all, hardly. And Patrick Jones, rookie to the Vikings.
It's the mental health awareness insert.
The pack feels thick, so we'll do that.
Any comps on that card?
Look it up. Brandon Cooks, Jacoby Myers, Roquan Smith, Rob Gronkowski, Travis Kelce, Devontae Parker, and we got a Crusade, Dan Marino. Can't tell, it looks like it's off-centered. Just looking at the white on it. But nice hit there at the Dolphins. Derrick Henry on the touchdown club. Devontae Smith, rookie rush.
There's none out there, dude.
And Trey McKitty. What was there?
There's none out there.
If it's a 10. Just search Trey Lance airborne auto.
Yeah.
See if there's, I'm sure there's.
There's none out there, bro. There's not even an auto out there. So I wonder if they're all numbered.
Ryan Tannehill, Alvin Kamara, Noah Fant,
That's crazy.
Chase Claypool, Saquon Barkley, Jamal Adams.
Oh, there was one.
What is that?
It was listed at 600 and they took the best offer.
Star-studded Christian McCaffrey. Prism. Jamal Adams, action-packed. Micah Parsons, draft class. And Trey Sermon, rookie.
It's a nice hit.
All right, 2 packs to go. Nelson Aguilar, David Montgomery, Tom Brady, Deebo Samuel, Tremaine Edmonds, and we've got a Calvin Ridley pink, and that is numbered.
Calvin Ridley's killing it.
So number 50 out of 75, Calvin Ridley on the Crusade. So the Falcons are killing it. It's got the numbered Kyle Pitts and the other Prism.
Yeah.
And then right behind that is another numbered card. So this is Jeremy Chin on the action pack. And that's number 37 out of 80. What?
It's number 37 out of dumpster.
So I guess I need to go back and check those. I mean, that's just like hidden on there.
Yeah. I'll run through them real quick.
Standing ovation, Justin Herbert. Derwin James, action-packed. Nick Bolton and Jacob Harris. It's almost like we got some extra cards in that pack.
Think so?
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11. So we did get an extra. I think we got an extra number card because they were back to back.
I'll take it.
So not only do you get the Trey Lance numbered auto out of there, you get the number card. That was a juiced box.
Dude, that's a fun rip.
It is a fun rip. We were gonna break this again, but
Oh no, right?
I don't know if Jason's gonna be able to hold out.
Oh, see, you gonna put it on me like that?
Sam
You
Darnold,
chose to. You could have
Cortland
opened
Sutton.
what you wanted to.
Myles Garrett, Dak Prescott, DK Metcalf, Tua, and we've got a patch card. We'll save that.
It's not like I have any skins to hit.
Tom Brady, Davis Mills on the rookie rush, and then why not another Kyle Pitts?
So, are all these numbered on the back that are numbered?
No.
No, that one's on the front. See?
It's on the front. Oh my goodness gracious!
Oh my!
What a hit!
Wow!
19 out of 25
Wow.
on this T-Law. Tricolored patch. In the same box as Trey Lance.
The same box?
Same box.
Oh my goodness!
And there was
gracious.
2 other numbered cards in there.
Oh my goodness! That's crazy. It's a Tesla.
It's a Tesla.
That's awesome, man. Who had Jags?
This is a Tesla.
Rich had the Jags, man. Where's Rich at? All these people that hit aren't in the chat.
All right. We will do a recap. Oh, he's here. Richie's here.
Rich is here?
Yeah,
All right,
he's in
Rich. Rich, stand up. Haha. All right.
Corey said I threw a 5 spot on them too. All right, we'll do a recap.
Corey don't have the number. If you're looking for lottery numbers, Corey's not the guy. Oh my goodness.
And we've got quite a bit to recap.
Let me check. Do a quick drive-by. Dude, there's a lot to look at.
There is.
That's crazy. It's crazy.
Just rolling through these action pack cards real quick to make sure that
Make sure we didn't miss a number.
Make sure we didn't miss a number.
Wow. That's
All right.
crazy.
What you got for me? Am I running through that stuff? No.
There's
All right.
enough. There's enough stuff top loaded.
Enough stuff top loaded. All right. Christian McCaffrey, star-studded.
Let me grab that last one from you.
Jeremy Chin on the action packed. And that was numbered 37 out of 80. Dan Marino on the Red Cracked Ice Crusade. Calvin Ridley on the Pink Crusade. And that was numbered 50 out of 75. So congrats to the Falcons. Who are the Falcons? They probably went reasonably cheap. I think.
Max.
Yeah, $16.50. You guys might as well.
Clark Griswold's brother.
Justin Herbert, Red Cracked, or I don't know if it's Red Cracked Ice, whatever that is. Airborne.
Airborne Prism.
Airborne Prism.
Yeah.
Jeremy Shai Smith.
It's a Prism.
Prism.
On the back it says Prism twice.
That's a double prism.
Yeah, I don't know why it says that.
Number 34 out of 80. Kyle Trask on the Prism. Justin Fields, star-studded. Kyle Pitts on the Red Crusade. Zach Wilson on the draft class. Micah Parsons. Mac Jones, draft class. T-Law on the Rookie Rush. Jamar Chase, draft class. Matt Stafford on the Prism. CD Lamb on the underwear patch to the Cowboys. Let's see. Amon-Ra St. Brown on the patch. And then we had this Kyle Pitts Rookie Rush, numbered out of 80. Marquez Stevenson, number 89 out of 99. The Bills. The Jags made out pretty well with 2 numbered cards. So you got the James Robinson auto out of 25. We had Tom Brady Airborne.
It's a piece of his number, bro.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It's a tricolor.
Man. That's sweet.
So we got this Jags T-Law patch. And that is number 19 out of 25. So massive hit there.
Dude, out the same box.
And then out the same box, the biggest hit of the night. Biggest hit for M Breaks in a long time. This Trey Lance numbered auto, number 7 out of 10. So congrats.
Sent your Halliburton elephant.
To the Niners. Congrats to Scott. Massive hit. Well, what a way to wrap up tonight. All right. Thanks, everyone, for participating. Sorry for the delay at the beginning. Well worth the wait, though. And make sure you like and follow us on Facebook. We will be back next Thursday night with some football. We'll have a plethora of breaks going on that night. I think we're running 4 breaks that night. Make sure you like and follow us because those will come from our other eBay handle next week. So that way you can stay up to date on everything. Thanks for participating. Thanks for paying on time. And we'll see you next time.